Hello everyone, welcome back to Chinese Parrot. In this lesson, we will keep on learning finals. The first final we are going to learn is we. It sounds like we in sweet. We. When we is pronounced, firstly we should pronounce u and then pronounce a. The shape of the mouth changes from circle to flat. We. Let's learn the four tones of we. 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 Here is a tip. The final we can be used to make up Chinese characters apart from b, p, m, f, n, l, j, qi, xi, yi, u. There are two Chinese characters which include we. The first one is 水. 水 means water. Let's say it together. 水. The second one is 推 means push. 推 The second final is you. It pronounces just as same as you in milk. You. When pronounced you, it should be pronounced first, and then slide to u. We will learn the tones of you. You. Attention! You can be pronounced and used by combining with consonant, but it could only combine with the consonant m, d, n, l, j, qi, xi. It cannot be used alone. Let's learn a Chinese character with you. That is 球. 球 means ball. Let's read it. 球. Okay, let's review what we have learned this time. We, you. Homework for today is reading and writing what we have learned. Okay, so much for today. See you. Goodbye. 再见。